هلو السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آله إبراهيم إنك الحميد المجيد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هلو أمريكا. هلو أمريكا. I am Somalian women. I am Somalian victim women. I am Somalian victim women. Who gonna victimize me? Somalian man. Hello America. Hello America. I am Somalian woman and I'm American citizen and I'm victim. Who gonna victimize me? Somali man. I cannot silent. I am not be quiet. I am speaking up because my uncle raped me. My uncle raped me and I was 6 years old. The time I was a child, I am victim. You say Bisinka? If you know the Bisinka, why you rape the women? Why you rape the child? Why you harassment to the women? Guys, today I'm MMS. I am naked. You believe in I'm naked? No, this is not a naked. This is not a naked. Still I have my stuff. You know, you cannot see my terrace. You cannot see, right? But I am victim. The time I was 6 years old, my uncle raped me. Again, the time the year I'm 6 years old, my teacher teach the Quran as a religion. Today is a Friday. Open your eyes, guys. The time I was 6 years old, my uncle raped me. And the time I was 8 years old, my teacher teach the Quran. He gonna rape me again. And my other teacher, the time I was 9 years old, my other teacher raped me. And again. And my mama, she's single mom. And I don't have a right to speaking up. And I married 15 husbands. And after that, one guy, he's not my boyfriend and he's not my husband. He say, this child is my child, it's my son, but he's not his dad. But he lying to me. I'm crying 15 years. And finally, I sit there with that guy, my family and his family. And he say, I never sleep this lady. I never married this lady. She's not my girlfriend. I'm lying to her. No one say anything. Somali community, guys, you like it for hiding everything. It's enough. I cannot be quiet. Guys, you know, I bring the Somali man in Africa. He is my husband. I bring it to the United States. 3 times I go back to the Africa. He cheat me. The time he is in Africa, I bring it to the States. And what he gonna do it? He cheat me and he left it the time he stay, the time he stay 1 year for me. He broke my heart. And I'm single mom. I have 3 young children. And 2016, the time my kids they growing up, I try to be talking about my life, my history. And I go to social media. And social media people, they harassment to me more than anything. They say she crazy. They say she is, you know, a lot of things. I am not a crazy, but I am victim. I am victim. Many times Somali people, I can tell you, if I speak English, even my heart know a lot of English. Because I am victim. The time I'm talking about my life, Somali man they try to be silent for me. And I never accepted that. I never accepted that. They try to harass me. They gunshot my son. 3 gunshots they burned my son. They slashed my tires. 3 times they try to kill me. Because who gonna victimize me? Man. They hide it for all stuff is for Somali people. They can do that. A lot of young generation, a lot of men, a lot of women, they call me. They victim, but they can't talking about this. 2 years and 1 month, 2 months, I talking about social media, but I'm speaking of Somali language. Enough is enough. I cannot speak Somali language no more. I try my best. How I gonna speak English? And you know what I mean? I can try. Hello, America. I've been United States, but I am victim. Hello, America. I'm American citizen, and I'm the woman. I come to this country, refugee. My country has a lot of problem. Women doesn't have a right. Children doesn't have a right. Man is living in United States, Europe, Australia. For Somali man, still they believe in. I've been in Somalia. I'm not been Somalia. I am been the state in United States. God bless America. God bless America. I'm American citizen and I am victim. I am American citizen and I'm a victim. A Somali man, they gonna victimize me. I need help. I need help. They wanted to be silent, and I'm speaking for a lot of Somali women, a lot of Somali child, a lot of Somali men. Even they don't have a voice. I am voice for the victim people. Hello in America. I've been America, but I'm victim. I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. I'm becoming homeless because they close my YouTube. Somali man is say Daesh, and he live in America. That is unbelievable. That is disrespect. They harassment to me. My children, they victim, and I am victim. Hello, America. Where is the America? Where is the America? 2 years I speak up Somali language, but America, they don't hear me. But today, I want to need America. They hear my voice, and they can see me, and they harassment to me, and I'm running away from Minnesota to come in Arizona. That is disrespectful. That is harassment. Hello, America. I need help. I need help. God bless America. God bless America. Every day, guys, you go the mosque, but you cannot help in the women. A lot of victim people in Somali people, they in the wall, but they don't have a mouth. They don't speaking up. They afraid because if they speak in her life, they gonna harassment to a lot. Hello, America. God bless America. God bless America. I am woman and I became single mama in America and I'm victim. I am victim. I am victim. I cannot be silent. I cannot be quiet. I cannot be they believe in religion. My inside is naked and they need in Somali man. I cover my body. I cannot do that. Believe or not, Somali people, if you are victim, don't afraid anybody. You have to be speaking up. If you live the Western, hello America, hello America. I am Somali woman, but I am victim. I am victim. My Somali man they need to be silent to me. Be quiet. You're Muslim. You don't have a right. A lot of women in Somali country, they have victim. a lot of young generation, they victim. My uncle raped me again and again. I'm gonna tell you guys, the time I was 6 years old, my uncle raped me. That is unbelievable. I cannot hide it. They needn't be hiding. I know a lot of men, they victimize themselves for kids. Hello, Somali people, don't be easy to me. Time is over. The Somali language, I cannot speak it no more. Whatever I can know, speak American language or English, I can speak it up. I cannot speak no more Somali language. No more Somali language. I speak up English because a lot of people, they know who human rights. They gonna hear my voice and they gonna help into me. And I know a lot of women, a lot of men. How many Somali gay and lesbian and live in state and live all the world because they are victim. You harassment to the people. Every single person, they have a right. They have a right. I have my own right. I've been in here 21 years in America. Guys, I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. Hello, America. God bless America. God bless America. God bless America. Hello, America. Hello, America, America. I am victim. Somali people, they are not nice people, especially the Somali man. They arrested the women. Oh my God. God, where are you? You see how they get harassment to me. God, where are you? You cannot see my voice. They gonna gunshot my son. They gonna slash my tires. I'm gonna run away from Minnesota. They close for my YouTube. I don't have a right. Every single time they harassment to the phone. I am so tired. My community, they don't have a feeling. I need America. God bless America. God bless America. I cannot be silent. I cannot be silent. I live in United States and I am American citizen and I have a right to speaking up, to talking about my life. I cannot hurt anybody, but I'm speaking up the reason I'm... God bless America. 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 I am so lucky. If I'm been in Somalia, guys, you know you're gonna kill me. But I'm so lucky. I am here. I am here. This is American flag. This is American flag. This is American flag. God bless America. God bless America. God bless America.